Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a fishing rod holder here, a little case for it. So if you have a fishing rod, we have a fisherman here in the house, so we can do that. So this is it here. It gets nice and thin at the end here, and bigger over there, and it gives you the ability to just feed the fishing rod right on in there. So it's kind of a neoprene feel to it, and you'll have it in there. It'll cover up, depends on how long the rod is. This one here is probably about 4 feet, 4.5 feet long. It says fishing on there somewhere. It said it. Oh, right up here, fishing. So it's a cool little rod holder. So if you have a fishing rod or something else very long and skinny like this, you're able to put it in there, but this is gonna be good. So the kiddo here in the house who likes to go fishing all the time is going to get this and be able to put his rod in there so he won't be getting hooks on him and everything else. So really cool. And it gives you the ability to hang your rod or whatever you wanna do with these as well. This one here, you can cinch it up and do whatever. So cool, I like it, thumbs up.